Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv. Today we're checking out a vacuum that promises to make those hard-to-reach spots cleaner than ever, while doubling as a mop. It's the dreame H14 Cordless Vacuum Mop, a tool that combines powerful suction, a fast self-cleaning feature, and even a unique 180-degree lie-flat design. But how well does it really perform on everyday messes? Let's find out. The dreame H14 is a cordless wet-dry vacuum designed with both cleaning and convenience in mind. It offers a sleek, modern build with a suction power of 18,000 PA, making it capable of picking up everything from dust to sticky spills. The real standout, however, is its 180-degree lie-flat feature, which allows you to clean under furniture with ease. This vacuum can reach as low as 5.51 inches for the body and 3.86 inches for the brush head. But what does this mean in practice? It means you can clean those spots under your couch, bed, and low coffee tables without struggling to move heavy furniture or using cumbersome attachments. Another feature that's bound to grab your attention is its self-cleaning system. The dreame H14 uses hot water at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to clean the brush roller, and the entire system dries in just 5 minutes. That's right, no more scrubbing brush heads or waiting hours for them to dry. The vacuum even has dual rotation for self-cleaning, where the roller rotates clockwise and counterclockwise to remove tangled hair and debris, thanks to its resilient scraper. This feature alone saves you time and effort, making it a real game changer if you have pets or long hair. When it comes to real-world performance, the dreame H14 really shines. The powerful 18,000 PA suction effortlessly handles both wet and dry messes, cleaning everything from crumbs and dirt to sticky spills and wet debris. The vacuum excels on hard floors, leaving them spotless, and it even gets along well with carpets, lifting dirt and dust embedded deep within fibers. But it doesn't stop there. The dual-edge cleaning function tackles hard-to-reach areas along baseboards and in tight corners. This is perfect for those tricky spots that are often neglected, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. Moving on to the ease of use, the dreame H14 is lightweight, weighing in at just under 5 pounds, so it won't strain your wrist or arms during long cleaning sessions. It's easy to maneuver, even when you're navigating around furniture or adjusting to clean in tight spaces. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the vacuum glides smoothly across different floor types. In terms of battery life, you can expect up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning on a full charge, which should be more than enough for an average-sized room or apartment. Recharging is quick and simple thanks to the included charging dock. But like all products, there are a few downsides worth noting. One of the issues you might run into is its bin capacity. The 0.55L dustbin, while decent, may need to be emptied more frequently if you're cleaning larger areas. Also, while the self-cleaning system is convenient, the vacuum can be a bit noisy at its maximum suction setting, especially on hard floors. Some users might find the noise level a little overwhelming, especially in smaller spaces. Now let's talk value for money. The dreame H14 offers impressive suction power, versatility, and a range of smart features, like its self-cleaning system and the ability to lay flat for cleaning under furniture. In comparison to other vacuums in the same price range, it stands out due to its dual functionality as a vacuum and mop, and the quick-drying brush system. Competitors in this price bracket might offer similar suction power or battery life, but they don't offer the same level of ease when it comes to maintenance or cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. Looking at alternatives, if you're interested in a cordless vacuum with strong suction, the Dyson V11 might come to mind. It's a fantastic vacuum in terms of suction and battery life, but it lacks the wet-dry functionality of the dreame H14 and the quick brush cleaning system. On the other hand, if you're looking for something a little cheaper, the Black & Decker Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Vacuum could be a good option. And though it doesn't have the same powerful suction or wet cleaning capabilities. Build quality is another area where the dreame H14 holds up. The materials feel sturdy, and while it's not the most premium-feeling vacuum on the market, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy either. The plastic body is solid, and the brush head is designed to handle all kinds of messes without showing signs of wear quickly. As for maintenance, cleaning the dustbin is a breeze. And the self-cleaning brush system does a great job keeping things tidy with minimal effort. When it comes to customer support, Dreame has a solid reputation for responsiveness and helpfulness, especially when it comes to warranty claims and troubleshooting. Although we haven't had to interact with their customer service directly, the overall feedback from users has been positive. In terms of long-term durability, the dreame H14 seems like it could hold up well. Its brushless motor is designed to last, and while the battery might degrade over time, it's easy to replace if necessary. Given the brand's track record, you can expect a few years of solid performance with proper care. For those looking for a well-rounded vacuum that can handle a variety of messes and is easy to maintain, the dreame H14 Cordless Vacuum Mop hits all the right marks. It's perfect for homes with pets, hard floors, or anyone who needs a versatile, easy-to-use cleaner that can tackle both wet and dry messes. However, if you're someone who needs more frequent emptying or dislikes a louder vacuum, this might not be the best fit. If you're thinking about getting this vacuum, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more reviews. Tap the bell icon so you won't miss future content like this, whether you're cleaning up pet hair, sticky spills, or just regular messes. Thanks for watching, and if you've already tried the dreame H14, let us know how it's working out for you in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning just got a whole lot easier with Reviewsinside TV.